Hey, what's up coin fam? In today's video, we'll talk about some very valuable coins you want to know about. Make sure to stick around until the end of the video to learn about a gold wheat cent that sold for $141,000. Take a look at this 2000 Philadelphia minted quarter. It's very obvious that something just isn't right. A quarter is supposed to look silver, not gold. When you flip it over and look at the reverse or back of the coin, you see that this quarter has been pressed between two dies from different denominations. This is called a muled coin. This was supposed to be a golden $1 coin, but the obverse quarter die was used in place of the obverse dollar die. I wonder how many of these coins were minted. This Washington quarter, muled with a dollar coin, was submitted to PCGS for grading, and it came back a mint state 66 on a scale from 1 to 70. This Franken quarter sold at auction for over $88,000. Most people have never seen one of these before. This is called a Liberty Head Double Eagle, and it's one of about 12 million $20 coins minted from 1849 to 1907. The beginning of the mintage of this coin coincides with the California Gold Rush, and this Liberty Head Double Eagle is almost 1 full ounce of gold. This particular coin was struck about 15% off center, and the date can still be seen. PCGS graded this $20 gold coin mint state 63. This beautiful Liberty Double Eagle error coin sold at Heritage Auctions for almost $80,000. Speaking of gold coins, here's the iconic Buffalo or Indian head nickel. This coin was intended to have a face value of 5 cents, as stated on the back of the reverse of the nickel. But they weren't supposed to mint these on gold planchets. This nickel was minted on a planchet that was intended for a $5 half eagle coin. This planchet weighs 8.33 grams. The strike on the nickel is so-so. It wasn't given a number grade, but it was designated about uncirculated. This nickel, struck on a gold planchet, was sold at auction for $78,000. This Erie penny sold at auction for $138,000. This normal-looking mint state 66 red penny was discovered in Erie, Pennsylvania. It was minted in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. If you're familiar with the quality of strikes and error coins, you know that there seems to be more issues with the Philadelphia mint than any other mints. This Lincoln cent was struck with a reverse die for a Roosevelt dime, making it a muled coin. This is one of only 7 double-denomination mules that have been certified prior to 2004. That's why this little penny, discovered in Erie, Pennsylvania, sold for well over $100,000. This is a 1900 Indian head wheat cent. When pennies are graded, they normally receive a color designation like red, brown, or red-brown, along with the number grade. Based on this picture, it looks like this penny should receive a red designation. Or does it look washed out as if it were cleaned with some chemical? This Indian head cent was the victim of a wrong planchet error. The planchet used for this 1 cent coin was supposed to be used for a $2.50 gold coin. This wrong planchet error penny was graded a mint state 65 by PCGS, and it sold at Heritage Auctions for $141,000. We're quickly approaching 100,000 followers. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It's free. Thanks for watching.